Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Before we start, if you want to adjust the screen brightness on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the WITHINGS HealthMate application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, tap on the devices icon in the top right corner, and on the My Devices page, you should see your Scanwatch Light. Now, scroll down, tap on the Settings option, and here find the Display options, and under it you should see Brightness. Tap on Brightness, and here by default the auto brightness will be enabled. If you want to keep the brightness level, you select, basically you need to disable the auto brightness, because if you change the brightness and the auto brightness will be enabled, it will change anyway. So make sure to disable the auto brightness, and then you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you adjust the brightness, you can close the app. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.